Hey, what's going on? My name is Hugo Montrose, and I would like to give a big thanks to One Financial Business and their team and staff for helping me get my credit right. When I first went to them about 2 months ago, my credit was horrible. It was actually in the early 400s, horrible. And they were able to remove all the accounts that were in collections and dispute all the negative inquiries that was affecting my credit from going up. And now my credit is in the high 700s. And I'm completely satisfied. I recommend any and everybody to go to One Financial Business. And now I'm able to get the car of my dreams. One Financial Business, you did it.